Let you tell it.
Boy, you don't live down here.
Let you tell it.
Boy, where are you from?
None of your business.
Where are you from?
Yep, thank you.
You got it?
Thank you. Why are you putting a light on my face, sir?
What did you mean by white?
I mean by the color of his t-shirt.
That's the color of my shirt.
Can you please call
Not the color of my skin.
You follow me
all day.
All right, me too.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. I've been wanting to provide an update on this video for a long time. Almost a year ago, I presented a video featuring Jabriel Purnell.
Can you please call white shirt? I feel threatened.
What's a white shirt? That sounds racist.
No. Can you please call the sir? I'm sorry about that.
Oh my God. What did you mean by white?
No, I didn't mean
What did you mean by white?
I mean by the color of his t-shirt.
That's the color of my shirt.
Can you please call
Not the color of my skin.
Can you please call the sergeant? Can you please call the sergeant?
Not the color of my skin.
Is you going to call the sergeant, sir?
Call what sergeant?
The sergeant, sir.
White sergeant? Why do I gotta call a white sergeant?
No, can you please call the sergeant on your unit?
Did you misspeak or are you misspeaking now?
That video displayed some disgusting behavior of the Philadelphia Police Department, specifically Officer Hoover.
If I'm not committing a crime or anything
You're
in
not
that
committing a crime. Who said you're committing a crime? I'm allowed to be here. It's a free country.
All right, me too.
Why are you chasing me around then?
I'm not chasing you around. Let you tell it.
Boy, you don't live down here.
Let you tell it.
Boy, where are you from?
None of your business.
Where are you from?
Yep, thank you.
You got it?
Thank you. Why are you putting a light on my face, sir?
What?
You follow
I'll
me
stay all day.
All right, me too. Just a second, I'm wrong.
You're stupid doing so.
Okay.
World star.
Shortly after that video went viral, a member of the Police Advisory Commission reached out to me. They are the oversight agency for the Philadelphia Police Department. At the time, the video was being picked up by local outlets and was syndicated across the nation. The member of the advisory committee that reached out to me did so to let me know that Jabriel was killed. Less than a month after I posted the video, he was found shot in the middle of the street with multiple bullet holes. Police put him in a cruiser, rushed him to the hospital, but he succumbed to his injuries. Jabriel's murder is still unsolved, and it doesn't look like there will be any movement in his case. The advisory committee member also told me about a website, phillypolice.com/accountability. An official complaint was put in against Officer Hoover for that specific incident. His complaint number is CAP number 21-0475. The complaint summary states that according to the complainant, they were alerted by the public via a video found on TikTok that on 12/31/20, the date of the original incident, a male was treated unprofessionally and physically abused by an officer assigned to the 6th District. The complainant states the officer is seen in the video confronting the male in an aggressive and hostile manner. The complainant states that the officer continuously followed the male even after being asked to be left alone. The complainant additionally states that at one point the officer knocked the male down to the ground. As far as the disciplinary findings, Officer Hoover was cited for departmental violations, misconduct, unprofessional conduct, and physical abuse. All of the complaints were sustained, except the physical abuse. And why, do you ask? Well, I don't know. The video seems pretty clear to me, and the tons of commenters on that video.
At this moment, I am now recording him just to show that I am not doing anything threatening to him or anything in that nature. I'm not following you. I'm walking to my...
Why are you following me to talk around?
I'm not following you.
Now, after the video went viral, the Philadelphia Police Department put on their Twitter page, quote, "We understand that the video circulating has caused anger and disappointment. All PPD officers are expected to discharge their duties with honor and integrity. The officer involved has been placed on administrative duty pending the outcome of an internal affairs investigation. Not a suspension, just a reassignment to what most officers would think is a job that isn't as fun as being out on the streets." Of course, when questioned about the incident, the Fraternal Order of Police left no comment. I've made multiple attempts to try to get in contact with Officer Hoover, but I've been gate-kept by all the officers and supervisors at the department. And big surprise, nobody'll tell me what happened, or whether he even works there or not. I've sent multiple emails and phone calls to multiple personnel throughout the entire department to try to figure out what did they do about this officer. But as you suspected, there's absolutely zero transparency within the Philadelphia Police Department. Now, they've created this page to show you what's going on with their department and all the disciplinary findings. Take note that in 2021, this was the 475th complaint that they saw fit to put on their website. But no matter which one you click on, the results are all the same. So I guess, like, what now? Situations like this leave you feeling helpless. Now, I've checked this database probably once a week for the good part of this last year to try to figure out what's going on with this case, especially after finding out that he was murdered. And just like in almost every other case that I've covered on the channel, it seems like we're just not going to have any answers. unless we file lawsuits and spend exorbitant amounts of money to try to fight these people into telling us what we should know. Nobody wants to dox the officer or find out where he lives. We just want to make sure things like this don't ever happen again.
I thought you would take a picture. Oh, you just ran into a hole.
I'm sick because you scared me.
How did you walk into a
I don't want to
hole?
get shot. I'm black.
You're not
Please
black.
back up. Please back up. Thank you.
I'm not backing up. You're
Thank
backing
you.
up.
Please back up.
I'm allowed to be here. It's a free country.
All right, me too.
Why are you chasing me around then?
I'm not chasing you around.
Why are you
If you
talking to me?
move and you
Do you
follow
need my
me.
assistance?
No, I do not.
You don't need me for
no,
anything?
No.
Why are you still here? Walk away.
I am walking away. Why are you
All right.
following me?
Why are you
Your
in a
car is
gunshot
back
zone?
there.
Huh?
Because I can. It's a
Why is my
neighborhood.
partner
I
over
gotta
there?
live down here.
Why do you live down here? You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
Boy, you don't live down here.
The men and women of law enforcement should be held to a higher standard, but time and time again we see that they're not. Anyway, that's it. Not a whole lot more to add to this. Just thought you guys should know. Jabriel was murdered, and Officer Hoover appears to have been moved to a desk job for a short period of time. There's no doubt that sworn officers or just regular civilian personnel within the Philadelphia Police Department will watch this video. And with 6,300 sworn officers and 800 personnel, some of you guys know what happened. There's no doubt that you guys have information. If you do, you can email it to me anonymously. The question is, how many good cops out of that 6,300 are willing to step up and let the public know information that we deserve? I doubt that a single officer will step forward and give the public the information that we're entitled to. But if you want to prove me wrong, my email address is linked below. And as a journalist, my track record is 100% at keeping my sources anonymous. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.